Uy, quiet. Uncle Kirker. He's calling Uncle Kirker. He's calling his uncle. Okay, okay. Yeah, it's coming.
Mama, we at the airport.
We're here at the airport.
See the aeroplane?
See so many airplanes there. Look at the airplane. So many airplanes, my love. So we are going to arrival. So that's the arrival. See, look, arrival. Ooh. So there's this train station also, right? The train station is down there, right?
Do the boat and then like here.
So we are here. We are here now. So, are you ready to see Uncle Kirkers?
Yes.
Want to see Uncle Kirkers?
Yes.
Okay.
There's no toys. Mama, there was some toys.
Yeah. That's the Happy Mart there. You want to go to Happy Mart?
Yes.
See, the Happy Mart is there.
Happy Mike. Got toys in there.
So we're here at the airport right now. And you see that one? So we are going to see my brother. So yeah, I'm so excited to see him. And I think they're there. They try to buy the SIM card. And so
Mama,
yeah, I'm here.
Mama, I want some toys.
All right.
Selepas. Oh my hand, oh my hand.
Hold Papa hand first, ha? Hold Papa hand.
Selepas ya. Selepas.
Oh no, got the shop there. While waiting for my brother, so that's what he's doing. He's playing with the candy.
Maybe the touch. No, wait, check. Okay. Okay. Can you close? Okay.
You want to try this spicy candy, Papa?
To make a mist.
This. You want to try this? Will you try the spicy candy?
It's spicy. How about me? I want some sour. Oops. Uh-oh. Thank you. Uh-huh.
Sour.
Sour. Yeah. Uy. Quiet. Uncle Kirker. He's calling Uncle Kirker. He's calling his uncle. Okay, okay. Yeah, he's coming. He get excited. You get excited, Uncle Kirker. Sit down first, sit down. Uncle Kirker is coming. Don't worry. He was shouting, Uncle Kirker. You put your slipper, lab. Bertie. Kaya maglamay ng kindihan.
Daddy.
Would you put your slipper, lab? Na, Uncle Kirker is coming. Put your slipper.
This one's what? No, this one's what? Kaya what? Deal. Besides, clean the road, clean.
Welcome to Malaysia.
Hello.
Can I go inside the house?
Yes.
How much?
Come on. Come on.
Cannot.
Hop in.
Hop in.
Hop.
Oh, if you already twice. It's okay. This one.
Taxi! 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 I want to ride taxi. Oh, I want to ride the ship now.
You try this one.
What? No.
It's broken. The wheel is broken. Oh no.
Okay, will you ride this one?
It's a boat. Look, the boat. He doesn't want the boat. He like the taxi one.
Oh, you.
Sa lingkuranan. Ka-cute sa lingkuranan. Ay, oh. Sa lingkuranan, ka-cute. Oh, kanindot sa masahian. Ay, magpamasahe ka, no? Tara eh. Masahe ta diha na. Yogi ko ninyo. Uy, careful. What's that? Oh, on a board. See, he also have the sign, the signal, or I mean the... What is this? Train or what? Is it a train or what? Sandra, be careful, ha? Uy! You scared me. Careful. No, just keep it first. Oh, do you want to ride a horse there? Horse?
No.
No, you scared? Eh, not like that. Uy. You're too big to that car. That car is too small for you. Yes. Yes. Not nice? I wear. What's that? No, open na. I close. It's closed, ma.
Oh, no.
Huh? Ah, okay. Come, look, you want to see the toy store? It's closed. You want to see it?
No. Open.
Ah, you want to see? Come, let's go. Let's see. You the one. Let's see, come and see. You go massage, sit down. They don't have a. They don't have. It's just simple. Kalipong? Nalipong mo? Nalipong mo? Pumunta mo ha?
Mama.
Pumbugas eh. Ano ng bugas eh? The donut is there. Do you want? So, my son wants some donuts. So, show you the donut there. See, now he's running around. He ran too fast. Uy! He's running. He's driving this thing. Uy! So naughty. He's very naughty. My son is very say. Let him choose the one. Which one you want? Uy! No. Get down. Uy, the lady will get mad. Oh, the green color, you like it? Okay, and then the moon, you like the moon? Wait, love, you need to scan it. Need to scan.
No.
You will like the moon? I hold on.
Oh, this one for me.
Be, I like that one. Dong. This one, add this one, the happy one, Mr. Happy. Ah, yes, I want Mr. Happy. So, yeah, we're here in Dunkin' Donuts. So, that's the Dunkin' Donut. I get that one, the happy one. And, yeah, so.
Got 45 cents.
Yes.